What is the key of keeping a working line, a factory up and running? Where in old times that responsibility was solely on the workers. Today, with cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art machinery, it relies on the machinery probably a tad more than it does on the man running it. Particularly CNC machines, where other machines are built by your product. It is criminal to expect anything less than perfection. When your equipment and product is happy, everybody is happy. Not only do you need top-of-the-chain machinery for your equipment to be working smoothly, the thumb rule is maintenance. If you are looking for both, then remember the name, Upnal CNC Solutions. What makes us different from other providers? Our outstanding customer and technical support with variety of operational benefits designed to save your time and money. Here is what that picture looks like. Meet Ramesh. Ramesh owns and runs a small factory in the metal cutting manufacturing industry. He recently purchased a few machines from a local provider that sold him the equipment for cheaper. But of course that comes with a few strings attached. He happily installs the machines in the factory, smiling to himself at having a good bargain. It has not been 3 days and now the machines are starting to have problems. Ramesh ignores this for a while, but then after 3 months, since the first problem, the machine seems like it will fall apart any second. He tries to find the seller, only to find out the purchase doesn't cover repairs and the cost for repairs is much more than it should be. He then looks for someone else to have a look at the equipment, but doesn't find anyone who can vouch that they are expertise. He finally settles to have maintenance done by someone who is not entirely familiar with the make and relevant expertise, only to have the machine fall apart in the next month. The supplier then threatens to have the contract cancelled or have a penalty imposed. Ramesh is worried to say the least, but luckily he has a friend, Suresh. Now let us look at Suresh, who made the smarter choice of having contacted Upnal CNC on the suggestion of someone in his circle and one of our esteemed customers. Suresh has same manufacturing setup and works with same design aspects and preparation of the components, including from software and toolings. But the key difference is, Suresh made his purchase suggested by Upnal CNC team and got Upnal CNC Solution machine services to his CNC machines by taking up the AMC, Annual Maintenance Contract, where UCS are always on time to deliver the service with highly expertise skilled workers to overcome any electrical or mechanical problem of CNC machines, with their periodic maintenance as well as preventive maintenance to keep up the machine ready for the customized component machining or for mass production. Suresh has never had a late delivery and the product is all set to help Thrive customer business meeting all the criteria. Suresh gets real-time updates and reminders for preventive maintenance, and predictive maintenance can't get skipped or missed out over the AMC calendar of the individual machines. There's more. Monitoring of the service engineer's arrival and breakdown tracking status until completion of the work is always connected and communicated by instant messages sent through specially designed mobile app, Upnal Care. Delivering spares with their well-stocked spares and arrangement of spares if it is to be procured or to be manufactured well within shorter time by calling up 24/7 spares support team or simple by posting up the inquiry through mobile app Upnal Care for speedy response. Most importantly, with unlimited services throughout the AMC period for that particular machine and all with digitalized reports saved in the cloud forever and retrieved many times as when needed by eliminating all the paperwork. All this at affordable price per machine. Upnal CNC Solutions are channel partners to the PFW, UCAM, SolidCam and Builds, who are India's topmost machine builder, masters in rotary table, best CNC machining software and high precision toolings respectively. So now, Ramesh is heading in the right direction and contacting Upnal CNC Solutions, and so should you. Contact today through our phone number +91 93413 10394 or email us at service@upnalcnc.com and sales@upnalcnc.com and support@upnalcnc.com. To find out more about our services or to post your inquiry or book an appointment, visit our website at www.upnalcnc.com.